For creating the Google Plus covers, go to the template folder and open up the Google Plus cover template. First of all, before we go into this, I just want to show you at the top here, I've gone to page layout, and then you can go to page color and change the background color. This is partly why I choose Word to work in for this, but also when you're working within Word, when you're typing, etc., you don't get lots of other different characters appear, for example, like you might have in PowerPoint, for example. Plus, you've also got lots of other layout options, design options that you can use to change the effects of the, obviously something like that you're not going to use, but you've got lots of other different effects you can apply to your cover images. When you open up the template, you'll see at the bottom we've got a recording size should be 1080 by 609. This is a suggested size that now Google won't use the entire size, it will still ask you to crop it, but if you start with that, it seems to be the recommended size, so make sure these are used within the settings bottom left hand corner. I've actually just reduced the recording size purposely just for the making of this video, so it fits within my video recording screen. But first of all, what you want to do is to note that within the template we've got a table. It's a two-cell table, so you've got the image on one side or the icon on one side and the text on the other. You can play with this as much as you like. I've just done this as a suggestion. I just prefer this particular layout. So you want to change your image if you're going to have an icon or something within there, and then I would suggest that obviously you remove the content so that you can then type in your content, change the font style, change the color, etc. And then all you would need to do is once you've hit record, you would then simply start typing. Okay, so obviously you can see that I've made a mistake there. Normally Word would correct this anyway, but it may be because it's the font style that I'm using. But sometimes I don't actually worry about these things too much if you make a change, particularly for certain recordings, because the fact that somebody sees an image displaying or showing that you're changing spelling mistakes, for example, can actually make them take more notice than if it's a crystal clear, perfected recording. And then once you're happy with the recording, simply click stop and then upload to Google.